review meeting was conducted over the implementation of MOS 2021 tax revenues generated from forest and various departments under Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. Crop field left devastated after a herd of wild jambos intruded human civilization site at Kohora region on 29th of November. Qualifying matches for Zone C for the 58th edition of Under-17 Junior Inter-District Football Championship concluded on 30th of November. Good morning viewers, you are watching Karbi Anglong Live English Prime Time. On 30th of November, a review meeting was conducted at Arboretum Craft Center's conference hall over the outstretch of government's projects and schemes of the rightful beneficiaries generated of taxes from forest and various other departments under Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, and to what extent has the MOS 2021 implemented. The review meeting was chaired by Rite Singhi, EM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Madhumita Bhagawati, Deputy Commissioner of Karbi Anglong, Nirola Phangchopi, Secretary of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Miji Ronghang, Secretary of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, attended the review meeting. At the review meeting, the outstretch of schemes and projects allotted for the general public was discussed. If it had reached to the rightful beneficiaries, what are the percentage of completions of schemes? Generations of revenue by the Forest Department from the sand mining traders, and to notify the traders whoever if left out from paying taxes to the concerned department. Discussions were also made over the revenue generated from various divisions and departments under Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. Thorough discussions was carried out over the percentage of completions for implementing the peace agreement MOS 2021 signed between the 6 militant groups along with Government of Assam and Government of India. Key discussions to upgrade and promote tourist sectors of Karbi Anglong globally was also done during the review meeting. Bikram Teron's report for Karbi Anglong Live. On the night of 29th of November, herd of wild jambos entered the human-dominated site of Hemailekte village, Jilangso, Kahora range under Duarbaguri constituency, causing havoc of the crops fields. It was reported that the cultivation land of the region were found to be the most affected site of the destruction caused by wild jambos at Hemailekte village, Jilangso, Kahora range under Dolamara range. Boundary fence of the forest rest house were also destroyed during the course. The area is very prone to wild elephants incursions, therefore the villagers are always wide awake and vigilant. It was reported that crops like rice, bamboo plants, betelnut plants, jackfruit, banana trees and several others were destroyed. Villagers informed that the report of 11 incursions in the village was reported to the Forest Department 1 month ago, but there is no any forest guard deployed at the regions and no any preventive measures were taken for the protection of the villagers. Therefore, the villagers appealed the Forest Department and Wildlife Division to take positive steps in chasing the wild jambos far away from the human civilization site. News Desk report, Karbi Anglong Live. Qualifying matches for Zone C was started from 25th of November and concluded on 30th of November, held at Hanjanglangso for the 58th edition of Under-17 Junior Inter-District Football Championship 2022 and 2023. Under the initiatives of Assam Football Association, 58th edition of Under-17 Junior Inter-District Football Championship was organized, and to fill up the spots for the tournament, qualifying matches for the tournament from Zone C for Santos Lankar Memorial Trophy was started from 25th of November and successfully concluded on 30th of November. The final match for qualifying for Zone C was played at Hanjanglangso Playground between Karbi Anglong Sports Association Under-17 and Nogong Sports Association Under-17 on 30th of November. Jivan Chandra Pathak, President of Hanjanglangso Sports Association, chaired the opening ceremony of the match. Kadom Terangpi, MEC of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, attended as the chief guest of the event. Pankaj Teron, General Secretary of Karbi Anglong Sports Association, Rilipson Ronghang, DSO, Horen Inti, Robi Rongpi, Moniram Gogoi, William Singnar and several notable dignitaries attended the event. Jivan Chandra Pathak, President of Hanjang Langso Sports Association, took the moment to introduce all the players from both the team, and Kadom Terangpi, MEC of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, took the honor to kick off the match at around 2:30 p.m. Both the team could not score any goal against each other till the first half of the match. At the second half, KALSA Under-17 team managed to score 1 goal against NSA Under-17 team during the final minutes, leading to their victory of the match. The final score of the game was KALSA 1 and NSA 0. Kadom Terang PMEC of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and Relipson Ronghang DSO handed over the winners' trophy and runners-up trophy respectively. Anand Terang's report from Bokajan for Karbi Anglong Live. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.